And just like that. Just walk in, get the new item, lifetime warranty, exchange it out. Thank you, Harbor Freight. All right, so we did the Harbor Freight lifetime warranty on the torque wrench that stopped clicking. So I just went in the store, bada bing, bada done. New torque wrench. So we're gonna take it out the case, test it out, and see if it clicks. So when I was trading it in, I noticed it had a different part number, but it pretty much looks identical. Well, maybe this is different. It has a little sticker on there. Q-Click? Says something. Okay, so I previously torqued the lugs to 80 foot-pounds with a Tekton torque wrench I borrowed. Now I'm just gonna do with this one. I did calibrate it earlier. They want you to do the tighten to the tightest, loosen 3 times, and they say it should be calibrated. So there we go. Normally I do crisscross, but I don't have the wheel lock with me. Well, I do, I just don't want to get it. It clicks. There you go. Item 63882. Click type torque wrench. Pittsburgh, 1/2 inch. There you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.